Hello everyone, this is your friend Pinoy Galaan, and today I was in the port and I'm doing fishing most of the time. I couldn't do vlogging, but I would like to share this experience that I had. Very beautiful. Sea is very calm. I'm doing fishing and I have two catch. The one that I catch before I gave to a friend, and this is the second catch I have, and it's a bit big, about half kg. It's the second one. Weather is very nice, very nice, very calm, very calm. Here, there, this is my bike. So today I feel very lucky because I have two catch. One that I catch before earlier I gave to a friend, and waiting for another one. This guy, I think he's a fisherman as well. Normally they come to sell fishes at the port. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. So to all of you, thank you very much, and I hope you are doing great, and I hope you guys are all well. And whatever's happening to the world, the thing that we can do is just to keep the hope and pray. If works, if work, if doesn't work, it doesn't work. Life is like this. And shout out to everyone, to all of you. Have a wonderful day. Summer holiday is coming very soon. I hope you guys will have your summer holiday. In which place you will go, be, be careful and always take care of yourself. Thanks guys. Hello everyone guys, today I went fishing. This is what I catch: one merjan, one caragos, sea bream, and one murmur. So this is our dinner tonight. Salads ready, and only I have to clean it. I already removed the pool. Pull. Okay, it's finished. Only need to clean a little bit more, and then it's ready for cooking. I'll cook in the oven for a few days. I don't have any catch. I always go to the port, but at the port I can catch this one sometimes in the morning, about 6 in the morning. But this one I catch in the afternoon, about 4:30. Two of them. The white one. I catch them in the morning. And the other one, in the morning, about 4 o'clock. The other one, the cargos or sea bream, I catch in about 5:30. It's very quiet. There's very less wind, so we went to the beach, swimming, then fishing at the same time. This one and this one, they came in the same time. I catch them at the same time. It's in my language we call this abo. Junom, ne? Tamam. Ben temizliyorum ya. Abu. We call it in my language abu.
They like to be in the sand because they like to eat something from the sand, especially when it's wavy. It's not very wavy, but I was able to catch one. There are few, but I couldn't because I'm throwing a little bit far, about 20 meters far from where I'm standing, so I couldn't catch. So when it's come to this, near me, they can jump away. So this one I catch about um, 5:30. Sea bream. The sea bream. So we have fresh fish tonight. I hope you guys are doing very well and enjoying what you are doing. You know, I love, I love this. I love these summer days where I can do this kind of thing. As all you know, I don't normally go out during winter time. I couldn't do a lot of things during winter time. So summer times, I try to do more, maximize everything. From morning time, I go fishing. Uh, last about 4 weeks ago, I catch throat fish. Throat fish, it's nearly 1 kg. Nearly 1 kg. I couldn't blog all of my catch because sometimes it's hard to do, video, like this kind of thing, and then after cleaning and everything. So not much. What's what to do? I couldn't do a lot of posting live stream because I have a very limited data connection here, and I maximize. We don't have Wi-Fi in the island. Our house in the island there is a Wi-Fi, but we couldn't pay that much of money this season because it was really expensive. Like, I can pay, of course I can pay, but it's not really my priority to be online or to be in the social media most of the time. Like, whenever I'm in the city, I'm doing most of it, maximizing everything, you know here, because it's different. It's very limited time, very limited season, so I'm trying to maximize almost everything. When I'm doing fishing, I spend sometimes 3 hours, 4 hours fishing, and then go back home. Whether I have a catch or whether I don't have, it doesn't really matter. I'm enjoying. That's what's important. Enjoying. So I'm cleaning it, removing some more things inside because there are black things inside. This black thing need to remove because they taste bitter. If you don't remove this tastes bitter. So I prepared the salad already, and then I gonna prepare this, then after I gonna go to shower. It's almost 8 o'clock in the evening, but sun is still up. Sunset is about 9 in the evening, about 8 8:50 sunset. It's late. So what else? So if thank you very much everyone, for supporting Pinoy Galaan and supporting my channel, watching my video, and whoever is new in this channel, please support my channel, subscribe, and send me super chat, donate some super chat, super sticker. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful summer holiday, everyone. Oh, in Paris, they are burning in Paris. In Paris is very hot. There are lots of caviar inside. Look at the caviar. So it's finished. And it's just that. Just like that, guys. So once again, thank you very much everyone for supporting this channel, Pinoy Galaan. And if you came across with my other channel, don't be surprised, guys. Don't be surprised if in case you came across with my other channel. It is also monetized, and support that channel as well. I will not mention the channel, but if you came across, you'll be able to understand that it's me as well. Thank you very much, guys. Have a wonderful day.